is Kiehl's facial fuel, and in this video I just wanted to show you exactly what it's like, give you an idea as to how to best use it, what you can expect from it, and who I think it would be best for. But perhaps most importantly, I wanted to share my thoughts and opinions with you since I got some and since I started using it. Now, first things first, for me, I actually was bought this as a gift, and I'll touch upon this later in the video. I think this would make a really good gift if you've got someone who you're not quite sure who to buy for, but I'll touch upon that later. This is a moisturizing cream. So let me just kind of put it onto my hand, and I'll put it onto my fingers and kind of rub it in so you can see what it looks like. So it's got this kind of consistency, but it absorbs really quickly, as you can see there, and it's just so soothing and it's so fresh and hydrating. It's such a lovely moisturizer. Now I use it on my face, and I typically use it after I've had a shower. So usually in the morning, sometimes in the evening. The other time I like to use this, and a really good use case for it, is after shaving. I find it's really good at reducing any irritation that's caused by shaving as well. It's got a really nice, pleasant, fresh scent. It's not too strong, it's not overpowering, but it is just really lovely. You'll see there, look, it's completely worked its way in. The other thing I want to mention is that it's got a really small kind of dispenser at the end, and a little goes a long way, so it is actually really good in terms of how long it lasts you, and it does look amazing now in terms of the packaging and things like that. Now Kiehl's is a really luxurious brand, so as I say, in terms of a gift, this is really good gift for someone who might not buy it for themselves, but you kind of want to treat them with something that's going to make them look and feel much better. It kind of has an instant effect as well when you wear it, so your face feels better, which makes you kind of more confident and feel better in yourself, but it also gives you a bit of a glow, and I think that's really nice, particularly before going out. Now, so at the start of the day, as an example. So as I say, a gift, it'd be great. Someone you might know who is into kind of looking after themselves, or maybe he's had a bit of a glow up or something, that could be a potential option for you. Because it's on the luxury side, it's not something that someone might buy for themselves. In fact, probably I would never have got this, but as I say, it was a gift, and now I love it, and now, to be honest with you, I'll probably keep buying it. So really happy with it. It lasts a really long time. It makes you feel so good about yourself. I love it, and I would strongly recommend it.